rooster. Plucked. Yo, got that roosted on that fucking spigot, man. Also using that charcoal I made. So this was a really interesting week. Like, I've never killed or processed a rooster. Yeah, the processing wasn't actually really as hard as I thought it would be. I was mainly confused of when I had to cut into his backside right here, where the fucking skin or muscle and I've taken anatomy, but I can't remember what it's called, the fucking sac that envelops the organs. Yeah, I couldn't fucking tell that apart for quite some time, but once I did, it really wasn't that hard. It's really just, the messiest part actually was just beheading it. That's kind of it. Yeah, no, what I did was processed it, took it, brought it back home, let it marinate in, let's see, 3 cups vegetable oil, 1.5 cup vinegar, and then some seasoning I found in the house. Let that marinate for like 12 hours. And here we are. Fire's a little bit big though. I can tell I've started searing the top of this, which is why I had to flip it over before I started recording, but I mean, that's fine. It'll come out tasty.